In this video, we'll be discussing static analysis. Static analysis, right? We'll be defining static analysis. What is static analysis? What's it done? Why is static analysis important? In the test process. So static analysis is basically a method of debugging that is done automatically by examining source code, right, without having to execute the program. So you just, it's a method of debugging, finding bugs in the source code, which tools are employed to automatically check the source code for errors and for compliance issues. Right? This is especially important because you want to be able to catch bugs early on in the testing process. So it's always a good idea to put the code through static analysis tools, right, to help do an automatic check on the code for issues, compliance issues, right, etc. Issues with best practices, right? See if the programmer followed best practices in writing that piece of code or that piece of software, right? See if the programmer implemented functions properly, right? Static analysis can be done manually by a human, by a code reviewer, but it might not be as effective. The code reviewer might not be able to cover all the length and breadth of the code, whereby a static analysis tool will be able to cover the length and breadth of the code. So static analysis is very important in the test cycle and the test process because of its, it's automated, right? It's done by a tool, a software tool that, of course, has all the rules pre-programmed, and it knows everything to check for, and it just checks for everything automatically and flags where there are issues, right? So it's a way of, it's an automated check, can cover the length and breadth of the source code faster than any human, to be more accurate in picking out the issues and highlighting them, right, and reporting them. So, static analysis using the tools are, quite a great addition to your software testing pipeline. It's also a good thing if you can integrate them into CICD operations. So when each code is pushed to the source code repository, static analysis tool just runs through the code immediately and picks out all the issues it finds thereof. So yes, that's it for static analysis. Very great way to pick out bugs before the code even goes into testing by a QA engineer or by a tester. We pick out bugs early on using a static analysis to run all the code through the tool, picks out violations, compliance violations, improperly written functions, etc., and any errors that you can find that is based on the rule book, a set of rules that have been programmed into the tool, and it picks out all those issues automatically and get those issues fixed before the code or the software is sent to a QA engineer to test. So that's it for static analysis tool. Static analysis by using tools, and I'll see you in the next video.